We are told when you are an official that you cannot show emotion, that you must be stoic, and you must keep yourself to yourself. Ngunit sana maunawaan ninyo, kung tumulo ang luha ko dahil napakalaking nawala sa atin, napakawalaki ang nawala sa akin, sa inyong lahat, at sa bansang Pilipinas. And if I do shed a tear, it is because it is such a sad day. What a big gap she will leave, not only to her friends, not only to her family, but to the millions of those who she took care of, who she loved, and who she worked for tirelessly and endlessly. And I speak endlessly because that is exactly what happened. Hanggang sa huli, nagtatrabaho pa rin siya. If anyone deserved the miracle, it was Toots, for all the good that she did. At kaya't nung narinig ko yung balita na wala na si Toots, ako, hindi tayo na pagbigyan. Walang milagro. Ngunit sa sumunod na ilang araw, naisip ko, hindi, mali ako. Nagka-milagro talaga. Ang milagro si Toots. Mula nung na-appoint siya na Department of Migrant Workers, ay pagka hinahanap ko siya, sasabihin ko, may problema sa Kuwait. Paano? Sir, wala na dito. Nandun na. Nauna na yung bagong panautusan. Andun na siya sa Kuwait. Ganon si Toots, hindi na nag-aantay ng may initiative. She's so professional. At saka talagang alam niya yung trabaho niya. Hindi ko talaga maisip. Parang hindi ako makaramdam, hindi ko ma-imagine na ang buhay na wala si Toots actually. Because she occupied such an important part of my life as a friend and as a colleague. Kahit di mo in-appoint yan pa rin ang gagawin niya. Yan talaga ang buhay niya. And kaya makita mo, a more genuine, there you go, a more genuine person you could not find. And so that is a very high standard that Toots set for the rest of us. So let us not let her down. I hope I never let her down when she was alive. I fully do not intend to let her down now that she's gone. I can confidently say Toots will always be one of the best people I have ever known. Thank you.